Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sachin Education Hub. Friends, today we are here to discuss about the advisory bodies that help the IASB, that is International Accounting Standard Board, in develop the various international accounting standards. So it is not alone possible for the board, that is IASB, to effectively implement the international accounting standards alone, right? So for this purpose, various group are required in this case. Various advisory group are here to help the IASB in proper developing these type of accounting standards. And today we will discuss about these advisory groups that help the IASB in developing the international accounting standards. So let us start very first advisory body, that is IFRS Advisory Council, which means International Financial Reporting Standards Advisory Council. This is the primary advisory body. This is the primary advisory body of the IASB, first of all. And who are in this primary body advisory council? This body mainly comprises of diverse group of the stakeholders, and these stakeholders may be regulators, standard setting bodies, professional accounting bodies, investors, auditors, academics, and various others as well. And the main purpose of this council is to meet regularly to discuss about strategic issues, and after that also to provide the input on the IASB's agenda. And it also covers the feedback, and it also offers the feedback to the IASB on the various standards as well. So you can say that this council meet regularly just to discuss various strategic issues as well, and also provide the inputs to the IASB agenda, so that IASB focus on these suggestions, focus on these type of discussions to develop the international accounting standards very effectively. Okay, so this is the first advisory group that help the IASB. First of all, second main advisory group that assist the IASB is IFRS Interpretations Committee, which means IFRIC. Actually, IFRIC body assisting the IASB in interpreting and providing the guidance on the applications of the IFRS. So the main guidance regarding the IFRS is the main work of the IFRS Interpretation Committee, and this committee addresses the practical implement issues regarding to the IFRS. This body is just helping the IASB by discussion or by addressing the practical implementation issues regarding to the IFRS or the international accounting standards. Okay, so this body have a main work regarding the practical implementation issues, and by focusing on these issues, it help the IASB in proper implementation of these standards. Now the next body is Accounting Standard Advisory Forum. Accounting Standard Advisory Forum. That means ASAF. And this is a third body that assists the IASB. In proper implementation of the international accounting standards, and it mainly includes representatives from the major standard setting bodies. It majorly includes representative from the standard setting bodies that provide the IASB the insights regarding the global applications of the accounting standard. The main insights of the global application accounting standards is the main work of this body that provide by this body to the IASB for the purpose of developing the international accounting standards, because the insights have a main role in developing everything. Whatever the insights, it is very much important for developing everything. So the main insights that are provided by this body to the IASB plays the main role in developing the IFRS. Okay, so this is also the body that are here to help or to assist the IASB by providing the insights on the global applications of the accounting standards. The another main body that helping in IASB for the development purpose is Capital Market Advisory Committee. As the name suggested, this is the capital market which focus on the global capital market. Right? This body specially advises the IASB on the financial reporting issues from the perspective of the capital market participants. Whatever the perspective of the capital market participants regarding the financial reporting issues, this body look on these issues, and by focusing on these issues, this body assist that issue to the IASB so that the IASB implement the accounting standard in consideration of these issues. You can say that because it is very important to solve that problems, IASB is suggested by this body, or you can say that CMAC advises the IASB regarding the financial reporting issues that are facing by the capital market participants to ensure that standards should meet the need of the investors and should meet the need of the various other stakeholders for the proper implementation. Okay. Now the another main body is known as the GPF, which means Global Preparers Forum. This is another body that also provide the input to the IASB on the practical implementation challenges that are faced in the global market. You can say that the all implementation issues, the all implementation practical issues that are faced by the various small scale and various medium scale enterprises, this body help the IASB in providing that type of input on the timely basis. Okay, by providing the practical implementation challenges by providing the practical implementation impact of the standards on the SMCs or as well as medium based organizations, this body help the IASB for the purpose of developing the international accounting standards effectively. Okay. The next main group is known as small scale and medium sized entities, which is also covering, as the name suggested, the practical issues regarding to the SMCs, or you can say that this group is specially making by the IASB for the purpose of developing and maintaining the IFRS for the purpose of SMCs, and this group specially focus on the SMCs implementation issues, SMCs recommendations, SMCs improvement, and whatever they required. This group focusing on these requirements and assist the IASBs to fulfill that type of requirements. Okay, so these groups are specially focused on the SMCs and its needs and implementation issues of the standards that are facing by the SMCs. Okay, so these groups are majorly focused on the small scales and also assist that challenges problems to the IASB for the purpose of developing the international accounting standards in consideration to these issues as well. The last main groups are IFRS advisory groups. These groups are majorly focused on the specific project and the area of interest, and it typically includes various types of persons, especially the experts, stakeholders and representatives from the various industry standards or various target markets that help in providing the feedback to the IASB during the standard setting process. Okay, so these are also playing the important role in standard setting process for the IASB. So this is all about the advisory bodies that help in IASB in developing the international accounting standards or the IFRS. Okay, so I hope you all understand this question very carefully or very easily, right? So this is all for today. If you found this video very helpful, then please hit the like button as well as share this video as much as you can. And if you are new in the channel, then please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button for the regular updates. So this is for today. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day.